Today we're going to be talking about the hip flexor stretch. A lot of times our hip flexors or anterior hip capsule can get really tight from sitting, driving, working on our desk, sitting as a student, whatever we're doing. We're always sitting all day long. And we usually get a little bit tight in here. And when we go to do running or anything athletic, trying to get that leg behind us can be a bit hard. And we're going to end up making a bigger arch in our back, bigger arch in our upper back, because we can't fully extend through here. So a good little stretch and mobility drill you can do before any activity, event, and just kind of help maintain this is what I call the true hip flexor stretch. So for this one, what you're going to do, I like to be kind of on my toes, knee, hip, shoulder, ear on a nice straight line. And then your lead leg's a 90-degree angle. You can put hand on your hips or even hands here. And the trick here isn't how far you lunge, because as I lunge, you can see how I get a bigger arch in my back. I'm losing that hip flexor stretch there. All you need to do is that little pelvic tilt or that little hip roll. I like to say if you're a puppy dog, you're tucking your tail underneath you, okay? That little roll right there gets a big stretch right there in the front of your hip, right where your pocket would be, okay? And then I like to do like a total of 90 seconds. So initially it could just be doing 10 seconds and do roughly 10 of them. And you hold it there, breathe in, breathe out a couple times, and come out of it. So you're kind of just getting that little mobilization there. If you're not feeling much stretch there and you want a way to increase it, you can do a little move where you would reach for that back heel. And you can see how that's elongating more through the front. I'm getting that little bit of a twist, so I'm getting my hip flexor to move further away to increase that stretch. If you can't quite get to that heel, that's totally fine. You can just add that little stretch or raise an arm up. You might want something behind you or beside you to help with a little bit of balance. But this could be a way you can progress that stretch. Hope you found that helpful. Like and follow us for more weekly tips and advice.